Hey everyone, and welcome back to Simple English Learning. Do you ever worry about what to say when you bump into someone you know unexpectedly, maybe at a cafe, a supermarket, or a park? Mastering casual conversation or small talk is a massive part of sounding fluent and friendly in English. It's how we connect with people in our daily lives. Knowing how to greet someone, talk about your surroundings, and keep a conversation flowing smoothly is a fantastic skill to have. In today's relaxed and cheerful lesson, David is out for a jog when he unexpectedly runs into Anne, who is enjoying a book on a park bench. Let's listen to their easygoing, natural chat and learn the best phrases for this common situation.
Whew, that was a good run. He looks around and spots Anne on a bench. Wait a second. Anne?
Anne? Is that you? Wow, fancy seeing you here.
Small world, isn't it? I almost didn't recognize you for a second. What a nice surprise.
You too. I didn't know you came to this park. I thought you usually jogged over by the river.
I like to change up my route now and then. This park is beautiful in the autumn. The leaves are starting to turn.
I know, right? It's a gorgeous day, isn't it? The weather is absolutely perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
You can say that again. Not a cloud in the sky. It's the perfect day to just be outside.
That's exactly what I was thinking. I decided my apartment was too stuffy, so I came here to get some fresh air and do some reading.
That sounds like a perfect afternoon. What are you reading? Anything interesting?
It's a mystery novel. I'm completely hooked. I'm at the part where the detective is about to reveal who the real killer is.
Ooh, don't let me interrupt you then. That's the most important part.
It's okay. I can take a break. My brain needs a rest anyway. So, you were out for a run. You look like you had a good workout.
I did. I'm trying to train for a 10K race next month, so I'm pushing myself a little.
A 10K? That's impressive. I could never run that far. I'm more of a casual walker.
You just have to build up to it. But walking is great too, especially in a place like this. It's so peaceful.
It really is. I love people watching here. Look at that family over there, trying to fly a kite.
Oh yeah, that's cute. The little boy seems so excited. The wind is just right for it today.
And look at that dog, the one that looks like a walking mop. I wonder what breed that is.
I have no idea, but it looks hilarious. It seems very happy though.
Everyone seems happy today. The park is so full of life. It's nice to see people outside enjoying the sunshine.
I agree. After a long week of work, this is exactly what's needed. It helps you recharge.
It definitely does. So what are you up to for the rest of the day? Any other plans?
Not really. I was just gonna head home, stretch, and then maybe do some chores around the house. A very exciting Saturday.
I know the feeling. My plan was to finish this chapter and then go home to do my weekly grocery shopping.
The joys of adult life, right?
You said it. Still, we can't complain on a day like this.
Not at all. Well, I should probably let you get back to your book. The suspense must be killing you.
It is! But it was really great to see you, David. It's nice to chat.
You too, Anne. You know, I just had a thought. I'm feeling pretty thirsty after that run.
I can imagine.
There's that new coffee shop that opened just on the corner outside the park, the Daily Grind. Have you been there yet?
No, I haven't. I've been meaning to check it out. I heard they have amazing iced lattes.
Well, I was thinking my chores can wait. Would you be up for grabbing an iced coffee with me? My treat.
I would love that. That sounds much better than going straight to the supermarket.
Awesome. It's a plan then. Let me just cool down for a minute.
Take your time. I'll just mark my page. I'm excited to see if this coffee shop lives up to the hype.
Me too. It's nice to be spontaneous sometimes, isn't it?
It's the best way to be. This has turned into a lovely afternoon.
I agree. Okay, I think I'm ready. Shall we head over?
Let's do it. Thanks for the invitation, David.
Of course. It was great running into you.
You too, literally.
Very true. Let's go.